In this video, we're going to customize the personalized page, or edit the personalized page, or in other words, we're going to personalize the personalized page. So we copied the format, the structure from the Schoology Basics page, and now we're going to tweak it and make it our own. And when we scroll down to the bottom, under Show, it says it's time to show off your work. Make a screen recording with voiceover reflections. So we're going to do that, and we're going to add it right here. I'm going to put that video right here. So we're going to go to YouTube and take this video here, click share. We're going to copy the link. We're going to come back, scroll to the top, click the top right corner, the sprocket. We're going to click edit page, and then we can edit the page, and we if you like the formatting, the structure of it, keep it and use it. So here is that first video. We're going to click on it. We're going to click here first. I want you to note that the type is iframe and the dimensions are 263 by 148. So that's important. So we're going to delete the video. Then we're going to click in here, right here, and then we're going to click on, don't click these, because this link right here will add the content or the video down here to the bottom of the page. And if that's where you want it, that's cool. But we want the video here. So with this area selected right here, we're going to click Insert Content, the down arrow, and we're going to click on YouTube. And we're going to right click, paste the URL. We're going to click the magnifying glass to search. Select this one, import as embedded. And now that it's here, we're going to click on it again, because see how big it is? Dimensions are off. It's not uniform with everything else. It's really big. So we're going to click on it. Click on the left image. It's iframe, and the dimensions will be 263 by 148. Then we click Insert. And now it's the same size, and we click Save Changes. Scroll down, and there's the video. So we click on it. Hey everybody, it's me, Mr. Rodriguez, and I'm doing a recording full screen, watch on YouTube, a screen. So there's the video, and then when you play with it some more, eliminate the gap, and when you change these, it'll probably be the same as this one, but that's just a start. That's what I wanted to show you. Thank you.